sir, and my dear friends. I am Manish Kumar. Today there is a speech contest at Spoken Zone, and caption is "Knowledge is Power," and I feel so honored to say about it. Knowledge is power, but knowledge does not come from power. Knowledge is a thing that can be acquired through experience or study. Knowledge is learning a specific information about something. It is very powerful factor which helps us to get money, name, fame, respect, success and position in our life easily. There is a very famous saying that knowledge is power, which means that knowledge has a lot of power and it has the ability to conquer all the material powers of the world. Friends, as we know that a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Without knowledge, the existence of human would be equal to that of an animal. A person who lives away from knowledge and in the darkness of ignorance does not have understanding in taking right decision in his situation. There is very few people here who really understand the importance of knowledge. Not every educated person is knowledgeable, but every knowledgeable person is educated. This statement may sound strange, but it is real. In today's world, almost all the people are educated, but they do not have the knowledge of the subject which they have studied. Friends, if a person has perfect knowledge, then he can be a most powerful person in the world. A person's competency, ability and performance depends on his level of education and understanding. Therefore, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you and so much.
And my dear friends, I am Rashmi Kumari. Today there is a speech contest at RK Spoken Zone. Caption is "Knowledge is Power." I feel very honored to say about it. Knowledge is something that will serve you your whole life. It is most important thing in the world because it creates and destroys life on earth. Moreover, knowledge helps us to distinguish between human and animal. Knowledge is ability to use your knowledge to help others. Likewise, human have used their knowledge to create things that we can't imagine a few centuries back. It helps us to convert our ideas into reality and also help us to reach the success that we desire in our life. That's all. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Prince. Today is a speech contest in RK Spoken Zone on the topic knowledge power. I feel honored to say about it. First of all, I want to highlight what is knowledge. Knowledge is the information, understanding and skills that we have gained through learning and experience. Knowledge is power because it helps us to distinguish between what is right or wrong. We can sing, we can dance, we can do anything with the help of knowledge. Without knowledge, we can't do anything. Knowledge serves our whole life. Knowledge can't decrease with sharing. If we share knowledge with others, it will increase. A country can't be strong by weapons and army. For being a strong country, there must be some knowledgeable people in it. This is the real power of knowledge. That's all.